Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility, 45 foot by 102 with a universal mounting kit on the back. Carries Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, and many other brands. This unit has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. You can see the excellent condition on the beams and the underside joist. You can also see brand new kingpin plate on this unit. Aluminum combo, excellent condition, brand new buyer's toolbox. As we come back to the rear here, fixed axle, closed air ride suspension, refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber. Brakes and drums have been replaced on this also. Universal mounting kit, Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see all our available trucks, trailers, and piggyback forklifts for sale. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, steel outer rim has been refurbished. Brand new rubber all the way around on this air ride, 45 foot by 102. As you can see, this is a beautiful unit. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call. We're more than happy to answer any questions you might have.